Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and I don't know if you saw my penne Alfredo, chicken Alfredo with the penne pasta video. It was a dump and bake. And, you know, the dump and bake recipes are awesome because you just dump it, you bake it, but I make it in a pellet grill. Today I'm going to use the AS350 again by ASMOKE. And, you know, I pick up these aluminum pans at Sam's Club to replace the 13 by 9. It's like 12 by 9. Insides are like 11.5 by 9, whatever. It still works, it's big enough. And today I'm going to do the dump and bake chicken broccoli and rice recipe. Super simple. You know, you don't always have to grill meat on your pellet smoker. And some pit masters, when pellet smokers came out, and they probably still call them easy bake ovens. I've done cakes in them. You know, I've done all kinds of stuff in them. Yes, you can bake, but you also get to get a little bit of that smoke flavor. So I'm going to do the dump and bake. You can do this in your oven. Just skip the part that I'm going to do where I try to get some smoke infused in this, which I'm going to do for 30 minutes on the smoke level as soon as that thing gets heated up. And anyway, let's go inside. It'll take like, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. Get everything dumped in here, and we'll bring it out and get it in the ASMOKE AS350. And of course, you know, all these AS350 links or videos in the description will have a link to it. All right, let's go get this fixed up. Okay, for this chicken broccoli and rice, you need chicken broccoli and rice. I did rinse. I'm using basmati rice. I took a cup, I rinsed it. It's kind of swollen up a little bit. 3/4 cup of water, a can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to use some SPG for my seasoning, and I'm going to use fresh broccoli. You can use frozen if you want. So first thing I'm going to do, you can, once you put everything in the pan, you can put your chicken breast just on top. I'm going to dice mine. So let me get those diced up first. Okay, these are rinsed. I just want the tops. All right, so we're going to take our pan, 3/4 cup of water, 1 can cream of chicken soup, and kind of mix that all together. Okay, add your cup of rice. Okay, and you want to mix that together. Okay, let's get our chicken in. Let's get our broccoli in. I think I'm only going to use half of that broccoli. I think that's right there is plenty. We'll use the rest of the broccoli for something else. All right. Just mix this with a spoon. All right, some salt, pepper, garlic to taste. I like a lot of it. And there you go. Let's get this out on that little AS350. All right, so I've got this on just the smoke setting, and this is the difference between if you're going to use your pellet grill or your oven. So in the pellet grill, well, I want to get some smoke, right? So I got it on smoke level. I'm going to let it just go for like 30 minutes. Then we're going to wrap it tight with foil, turn it up to 375, and let it go for probably 45 minutes. Now, if you're doing the oven, just wrap it 375, 45 minutes to an hour, you're good to go. So see you in about 30 minutes. All right, 30 minutes of smoke. Just going to put some foil on here. I'm going to turn it up to 375, and we'll be back in about 45 minutes, I think, something like that. Okay, 45 minutes. Let's just give it a look. If you put it in the oven, it should go an hour, but I had it for 30 minutes on the smoke level, so I thought I would try it at 45 minutes. Careful opening this thing. Okay, well, the rice looks done. Now, my boys and my buddy Ray will understand I'm a little hesitant because right now you're supposed to fluff with a fork. Okay, you want to fluff the rice and everything. It looks like it's done. Okay, look at that. I'm telling you, that looks delicious. Let me double check my temperature on the chicken. We always want to make sure it's done, right? Oh yeah. It says 185. I'm not sure that's 100% correct, but if it is, it is. It means it's done. Look at that. Okay, there's one extra little step I'm going to take. You can take it or not. Depends if you like cheese as much as I do. There's a little bit of rice stuck on the bottom, but that's all right. Okay, so this is optional. I'm going to put some cheese on top. Yeah, it's out of the bag. Okay, about a cup, maybe half a cup, as much as you want, I guess. Let's go. We're going to go about a full cup. Okay, I'm just going to let that kind of sit there. Not totally sealed, but we're going to go about 5 minutes, let that cheese melt. We'll bring it in and do a taste test. Look at that. All right, dump and bake chicken, broccoli, rice, and topped with some cheese. We need to give this a taste. All right, it is so nice out here. This is the end of January and short sleeves. It was like 59 today, I think. Anyway, ASMOKE AS350. Chicken, broccoli, rice, dump and bake. Yeah, dump and bake. You know, pellet grills. There are 8 in one, and one of the 8 is bake. Bake, grill, smoke, you know. So anyway, let's get a taste of this. Cheese, again, is optional. There are a couple of things I forgot to mention, or one thing I didn't do. I forgot to spray the pan with some cooking spray so that the rice wouldn't stick on the bottom. Some of the rice stuck, no big deal, very thin layer. And then I put about a 1/4 cup of water in the soup can, you know, mixed it all up and dumped it in. So probably a total of a cup of water instead of 3/4 cup. And if you want it more soupy, you could add 2 cups. It depends also on altitude where you live. So it does make a difference. So here we go. Look at that. Still steaming. That is fantastic. Quick, easy dinner. Chicken, broccoli, rice, and the ASMOKE AS350. Give it a try. Dump and bake. Look up other recipes. Give them a try. I did the chicken Alfredo with penny noodles. I'm telling you, you don't have to just grill meat to enjoy a pellet grill. All right. I think if you have a spouse, oh, there's my lights. If you have a spouse or a girlfriend, I think you can impress them with a dish like this out of your pellet grill. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.